know I keep calling and texting. I don't really know where to start. I just want you to know that I'm sorry. And I'll keep apologizing for as long as it takes. I know I made a big mistake. I wish we could take it back. I wish it didn't knock us off track like it did. I wish you and me could be back like we were before. I never meant to hurt you. That was never my intention. I'll forever regret what I did. So, I guess I just wanted you to know that I'm sorry.
I love her more than anything.